Hey, I'm out here at the silo, the nation's silo here in Nashville, Tennessee. And I'm gonna practice my diving. And I wasn't gonna put a GoPro on the Super G because I didn't have the proper holder yet. It's being sent to me by Fly High FPV. Link in the description if you would like a 3D printed GoPro holder yourself or any other plastic pieces. But so I strapped it on like this. Think it'll hold it? I guess we'll find out. I don't know what happened. The image transmission just stopped. I lost connectivity. I'm hoping and praying that it's not on the roof, because I will climb the roof. That was the first pack. Oh. I found the camera. Are you still going? You're still going. All right. So it's over here somewhere then. And this is the only one of my quads without a beeper. It's possible that it's up there and the camera just came down, but this is far enough away from the building. I drove 2 hours to fly this thing, and on my first pack I lost signal. What the hell? I hope it didn't land in the mush ground. Crap! I've been looking for a half hour. I can't find it. So I did find the GoPro, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn on the GoPro and see what the last thing it saw was. Maybe that'll give me a clue. But it's entirely possible that it's up there on that ledge. And if that's the case, I've got climbing to do and the sun is going down. That sound you just heard, I suspect, was the camera coming loose and then falling into the propellers and putting the quad into a spin. But I couldn't hear that with the playback on the GoPro camera itself because the speakers were so small. Okay, well, that didn't help, obviously, because the GoPro came separated from the quad because it wasn't strapped in good enough. So now I'm going to check the playback on the goggles. All right, going up. So far, so good. It's possible that the GoPro actually made it crash because it came loose and fell on the props or something. I just hope it's not on the roof. Please don't be on the roof. Oh, man. Uh-oh. It's on the roof. Oh, it's on the roof. However, before I climb a half mile in the sky, I'm gonna send the other quad up and just verify that it's on the roof. I assumed it was on the roof because that's the last bit of video I saw when it was flying over the roof. And so I figured it lost power and just fell right down on top. Actually, I kind of wanted to climb up there, and this would have been a great excuse. But it turns out it wasn't on the roof after all. Oh, and I'd like to thank the FPV gods for conveniently placing an old mattress here for me to have a soft landing. Ah, that's nice. Okay, I didn't see it on the roof. So it's got to be somewhere around here. Because I found the GoPro here. So it's got to be around in here somewhere. That's a long way to fall. I hope it's okay even. Oh shit! Oh shit! I found it. I found it. There's not that many trees here, but there it is. Okay. I think I can shake it down. That's about 25 feet up. So I'm gonna have to climb at least to there to be able to shake it, because I'm not strong enough to shake this big old tree. Damn! Damn! I'll put this camera like this so you can see me busting my ass in the tree. Come on, buddy. This branch is gonna... Oh my God. Oh no. I am worn out. I have to save some energy to climb down off of this. Oh crap. Oh, I'm so out of shape. The battery's not even on it. The battery's gone. Go up another couple feet. Oh, this is so ill-advised. That ain't good. Yes! Woo! Okay. Now to get down. Let's cut to when I'm down. Let's check the damage. We got a bent post. A little bit of the carbon fiber's broken. Props are fine. That one's bent. These are Mr. Steel peanut butter and jelly props. And we got this is loose, but everything else seems okay. The strap holding on my air unit came off. Okay, now maybe I can find that $30 battery somewhere. Geez, the battery, the GoPro, and the quad in all different places. Guess when it falls from a great height, you have a lot of time for things to separate and go in their own way. I also lost one of the DJI antennas. It might cost a few bucks to fix. The arms look okay. My ego's a little bruised. I don't know why it just stopped the transmission. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that the camera's on there too loose, and when I did that flip, it came off. Got in here, it spun so fast that it pulled the battery off. That's the only thing I can think. But it's a beautiful day. It's 65 degrees, and I will try it again. Not today. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the... Well, why the long face? But and bye.